Hello, Paul here for WhisperKOOL wine cellar cooling units. In this video, I'm going to talk about WhisperKOOL's quietest, most efficient cooling unit ever, the Platinum Split. We'll talk about the features and benefits and the installation options. As always, WhisperKOOL recommends that you consult a wine cellar professional for specific advice on best practices for wine cellaring. The new Platinum Split comes in two sizes. The 4000 model cools cellars up to 1000 cubic feet. The 8000 model, in the wall mount configuration, cools cellars up to 2000 cubic feet. In the fully ducted configuration, it cools up to 1750 cubic feet. The engineers at WhisperKOOL designed this unit to be 25% more efficient than the previous split system, with an evaporator that's 35% smaller. Combine that with a 10% reduction in overall noise, and the new Platinum Split is one of the best cooling units on the market today. The unit has a solid, durable housing design with a textured finish that resists fingerprints, rust, nicks, and scratches. The bronze finish will blend well with your cellar racking. Unless you duct the Platinum Split, you will see it in the wine cellar, so it's been designed to accent rather than detract from the aesthetic nature of your wine cellar. The Platinum Split is built exactly as its name implies. The evaporator and the condenser are split into two separate units. The evaporator, which is the cooling part of the system, can be installed in or near the cellar, while the condenser, which dissipates the heat, is installed remotely, usually outside the home or sometimes in a utility area. The Platinum Split has some major advantages over other cooling units. First, there's installation flexibility. Cooling unit condensers are typically noisy, and they require a large amount of space for ventilation. Because this condenser is a separate unit, it can be installed up to 100 line feet away from the evaporator, which means that it can be placed outdoors in most homes. Another very flexible quality of this unit is that the evaporator is fully ductable, and that increases your installation options. You can mount the unit on the wall in the cellar, or you can install the unit remotely in a fully ducted configuration. The evaporator can be installed up to 25 duct feet from the cellar. This has two great advantages. First, you won't see a cooling unit in your cellar, and you'll maximize your wine cellar storage capacity. Second, because this unit is so quiet, proper ducting of the Platinum Split can result in virtual silence in your wine cellar. You can't see it, you can't hear it, and your wine is kept at the optimal temperature. The Platinum Split has a 55-degree temperature differential in both the wall-mounted and the fully ducted configurations. So, if you want to keep your cellar at 55 degrees, the temperature of the exhaust environment can reach up to 110 degrees. This means that the condenser can be located outdoors for most installations. The Platinum Split also takes advantage of WhisperKOOL's most advanced controller. This technology features a series of strategically placed monitoring probes which ensure efficient performance. It offers options such as adjustable humidity control, energy-saving modes,